Hi everyone, I'm Julie Fulcher, Realtor with the Ramirez Company. I've been in real estate for 15 years, and I must say, not all real estate agents are the same. Recently, I sold 3 homes in less than 7 days. Now, some people may say that's just the market right now. I say nonsense. I was able to accomplish this with my strategic marketing plan. Currently, there is a lot of rumor and speculation about the real estate market. What I can tell you is that there's never been a better time to buy or sell. My marketing plan. Phase 1, have a very frank, honest discussion with the seller about how to stage the home. Phase 2, my marketing team. We develop dynamic marketing pieces to make your home stand out offline and online. We get buyers excited to come see your home. Phase 3, master negotiating to get you the best offer and constant communication throughout the transaction. Phase 4, a successful close of escrow. So whether you're in the market to buy or sell real estate, think of me.